Today I'm going to tell you one technique. If you follow this, I promise you, in next 30 days, you will see a stark improvement in your English. This technique is called the extempore. Now, what is extempore? Extempore means an impromptu speech or giving a speech or talking about something on the spot without any preparation. However, the technique that I'm going to tell you about has a little added ingredients to it. So it has 7 steps in it, rather 8 steps in it. So let's get started. Step number 1. You're going to choose the topic that you want to talk about. It could be any topic. It could be something that you're interested in or something that you want to know about, something that you've heard, current affairs, anything, right? Once you have chosen your topic, step number 2 involves researching about those topics. Now, what do I mean by research? Research means you're going to read about it. You're going to read about it in Google or in newspaper or in magazine or wherever you can find resources about this particular topic that you are going to talk about. Step number 3 involves writing down. Yes, after you have done your research, you're going to sit down and you're going to write about this topic. Now, you're not going to copy and paste from all the research that you've done, but you're going to write from whatever you remember and whatever you've understood from your research. That is step number 3. Step number 4 would be reading it out. Now, when you are going to read what you have written down, you're going to stand in front of the mirror and you're going to read whatever you have written. You will read it as many times as you want, and this is the point where if you think you want to make some changes, you think you have some grammatical mistakes, anything that you want to change, you want to add, you can do that in this step. Now, step number 5. After you have done your mirror practice, you are going to record whatever you have written down. Yes, you're going to record it. You're going to give the best performance. You're going to act like you're reading it out to a crowd, a hall full of people, and you're going to read that speech with full of confidence, and you're going to give your best. After you have recorded it, number 6 step is you're going to listen to your recording, and step number 7 is you're going to rate your reading on different parameters. You can rate yourself on your confidence level, on the content that you have written, whether what you've written makes sense to you or not, how you're reading it. And step number 8, that is the final step, you are going to repeat all the steps from 1 to 7 every day for next 30 days. And I promise you, at the end of the 30th day, you will see that you have not just improved in your speaking English, but also in your written English. Try this out. And if you have been in this video till the end, please comment down below, I have been here till the end. And I will see you in the next video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye-bye.